Joyride. Kumukolekta kayo ng 600 pesos annually sa lahat ng riders for the insurance na pinagmamalaki nila na 1 million ang coverage, pero si rider ang nag-shoulder. One. Number two, yung tip ng customer supposed to be sa driver na lang ay may kaltas din sila na 20%, pati tip ka. Damn. Hindi makatarungan at hindi makatao ang ginagawa nila. Bakit sila move it at angkas wala namang ganyan? Pinuri si move it sa angkas dito. Bakit sa kanila, sa rider, lahat nila kinukuha, meaning joyride? This should be addressed and stop. ASAP, please hide my name, of course. Okay. Okay, so joyride. Ano masasabi niyo po, sir?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. With regards to that po, Mr. Chair, we'll look into that. But there are reports that we have been receiving regarding that, but we'll look into that.
Well, then dapat refund. Then there's a violation. LTFRB, anong reaction niyo po? That's a clear violation.
Hindi po yan kasama sa terms of reference ng accreditation nila. So definitely may hearing po tayo next week. Pagpapaliwanagin ko po kayo bakit po nangyayari po ito. Asahan po ninyo yan na kayong unang-una ko pong tatawagin.
Siguro po, joyride, kung ganun, illegal po yung pagcha-charge nyo sa kanila for the insurance. And pati yung tip ay kinakaltasan nyo. Ibalik nyo. I need a refund. They need to be refunded, these riders.
Mr. Chair, actually sa service industry, meron na tayong batas na hindi pwedeng bawasan yung tip. So doon pa lang po, I hope this extends also to other services, particularly in transportation.